Hi friends, I hope you will be fine. I'm here with the video. We will discuss about the new version of the ChatGPT 5.6 Sol. We will also use the free this model, and there are several models in this update because ChatGPT not only updated or launched the 5.6 version, they have launched the multiple models. We will also discuss all the models and use all models freely. Let's go and check how they are used and what is the update in it. Previewing of ChatGPT 5.6 Sol, the next generation model, and here we are beginning limited preview of the 5.6 Sol series. There are several models like Sol, our flagship model, and Terra model, balanced model of the everyday work, and Luna models. There are all models, all are paid, but we will choose free. Let's move after that. They have updated all the things like 5.6 Sol is our strongest model yet. They give a preview of the model performance, which are set of evaluation highly improve the agentic capabilities in coding. The agentic capabilities of coding are also high because you know very well the models of Claude are very well compared to the ChatGPT or the Chemi and all other models, but they have improved this one because of the market trend is to use the agentic task and agentic coding and biology and cybersecurity with the additional safety preparedness evaluation available in our system card. And now you can see here the terminal bench 2.1 ChatGPT 5.6 Sol Ultra model provides you the 91.9%, and the Sol provides you 88.8%, and the third position of Claude is Claude Mythos 5 88%, and then ChatGPT again Terra is exists at the fourth number, and at the 5 number Fable 5 exists. The huge update and the huge results, the graph is the strong in chat with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT 5.6 also shows the broad improvement in the biology workflow. Here is the biology workflow, and see the graph. ChatGPT 5.6 Sol is the white graph line, and it's the highest point, and ChatGPT Terra has yes this one, the third line is the Terra line, and last one 5.5 is the second line. The biology, in the biology field, it has so much good graph and giving the good results. 5.6 Sol is almost capable model yet. The cybersecurity, in the cybersecurity platform, they have also provided the 5.6 Sol at the comparable with the Mythos, but Mythos is still high, and it crosses the Opus 4.8. Now we can go further. The exploit team, in the exploit team, they have also achieved many things. The stronger cyber capabilities with a stronger safeguard, and now we can go to use the free version of these models. We have also discussed about the platform where we have also used the other models like Cloud Opus 4.8 and then 4.7 and all other models like Fable. Now we can also use at that platform. The name of platform is Tasklet AI. We are also using I am currently using this model, and also logged in. You can sign up, and then you will see this screen. After that, you just click to the advanced button, and you will see the ChatGPT 5.6 Luna, Terra 5.6 Sol, Fable 5, and then all these versions. Luna, Terra, these are all the updated versions and new models. Please select to the 5.6 Sol and then say hi. They will give you the result. You can create your own things. After that, yes, this is the result. How can I help you today? And please enjoy these models. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. I will come back with a new exciting video and with a great project. Stay with us. Bye bye.